Hey there friends, I got something really cool to share with you today. So here in the beginning of December, we got a really cold snap basically. The whole United States basically was all like under this Arctic blast where all the stuff all the way from California all the way to the East Coast and everyone in between was just blanketed under this huge massive cold air where the temperatures just went way down, way low. I think the coldest it got one night, overnight, the overnight low was 14 below zero in Fahrenheit. That is so cold. So anyway, right before the storm was coming, I came out here and I took this barrel, which is kind of a long story. It's an extra from another project. And I took it and I brought it out here and I put it over this kale. I didn't honestly think it was going to live, but it was an extra piece of a barrel. I wasn't really doing anything with it anyway, so I just took it out here and put it on top of it to see. Well, after it got as cold as it did, which was way colder than they forecasted initially, I totally thought it was all dead. Well, anyway, I come out here and I pick up the barrel fully expecting it to all be just like a big mushy mass of dead kale, and it was alive. I couldn't believe my eyes. It was alive. And now it's been several weeks later. It's after December 21st, which obviously is the first day of winter and the darkest day of winter before the sun starts coming back. So if it handled temperatures that low, and it's been able to handle getting as low a light conditions as it has, with it being the winter and the sun is being as low in the sky as it is, and it still hasn't died, I don't see any reason why this might not make it through the whole winter, all the way up until spring. So that's my goal now. I've been covering up at night and keeping it watered and letting it get some sunshine on nice days like today when it's fairly warm. And I'm going to try and see if I can get this stuff to make it through the winter and into the spring. It hasn't been growing much, so we're not eating off of it. But it's more or less just an experiment to see if I can get it to live over the winter. So, just wanted to let you know. I had lots of other plants in this bed of cool weather crops. That back there is Swiss chard. That all died. Over here I had some bok choy. That all died. However, this Siberian kale made it just fine. So, yeah, if you're looking for a crop that can grow into the fall and even over the winter, I think this is it. I like it a lot. I'm really excited. This is my first time I ever planted kale as a fall crop, so I've never been able to see how late it could grow. So I'm really excited to see how well it's grown over the winter. Anyway, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.